You join me in the back of my new Talbot Alpine. Bugger! Might have gone slightly mad. And there goes the train again. On the 1st of December, I finally decided to do something about the brakes. Here is me using a VisiBleed kit in order to expel all of the old diarrhea from the system, being replaced with lovely golden stuff. I'm happy to report that all of the hydraulics are working fine, as you can see from the clutch slave cylinder. So the system is in good nick, it just needed a good flush out after that fluid's been in there for at least 10 years. As darkness fell, I decided to reverse the car back into the yard, and from the next clip you're going to see, be aware that it is taken in low light and I'm a complete moron. Sorry.
The end of another day of working on Annie, and let's shed some light on the situation. There we go, that's a bit better. So it is the 1st of December, and today I decided to start on the hydraulics. So what I've done, or what you saw in the previous clip, was me using one of these. It's a VisiBleed, £3.50. Not a bad little gadget either for the price. And the idea was that you go around the whole car and you basically pump the pedal on your own using a jar, and basically it enables one-man bleeding, which is what I really needed. So yeah, it was a good little tool. It's done the job really well. The brakes are working a bit better. They're still a little bit slow on the pull-up, but I reckon that if I give this car a good run, then I should be fine. I've also discovered something about the running of this car, which is that for all the time I've owned it, I've been starting off in 3rd and 4th. So yeah, I haven't thrown the gear lever over enough. Thought I would have an issue with the clutch, but no, it's good. It's gone good again. So yeah, I think that's first. So let's just see. So yep, that's first. So right, all the lights are now working, and interior lights as well. So let's just need to back up a little bit. Okay. Oh, handbrake as well. I've replaced, well, I did attempt to replace the cable, but the cable that's supplied in the car was at least, focus, 7 inches too short. So I've got the original one here, just tighten that up, and yeah, really nice handbrake now. Just a couple of clicks and we're there. Yeah, a lot of the lights on the inside are inside of the car are working now. You may not be able to see, but there is some backlighting going on, like here's his rear screen. We got rear fog lamp that was working. All the things that were working and now aren't. Rear washer, no light comes on for that. That's just a blanking plug. Yeah, and dimming goodness. Ooh. Which is great. And the lights are working perfectly, so that's actually a very good spread of light, I must say. That's very good for an old car. Look at that. Right, so yeah, the end of another day, so I think it's time to pack up all my things and get gone. Focus, camera, focus, thank you. So yeah, onwards to more progress, hopefully, maybe, I don't know.
As the 7th came, I decided to straighten out the front bumper, as someone tried using one of the brackets holding it on as a towing eye for the car, and this would never do. As usual, everything came apart perfectly and went back together perfectly, and I even found these 2 stickers underneath the bumper. But what I did a week later, well, that just drastically improved things. I decided to raid the car for paint and attack the now straightened front bumper. Now finished in beautiful gloss black over beige, it looks very smart. I also decided to straighten out the original front plate. Looking back over the last few months, it's hard to believe that this is the same car. This absolute eyesore of an Alpine came to me, unloved and with running issues. But after a few months and the support of friends, I managed to get her to this stage. To the point now where an MOT is imminent. Yep, Annie is going to be back on the road and I can't wait. And then something amazing happened. I received this comment from a YouTuber called Steve who claims to be the car's previous owner, which I have no doubt in my mind. He goes into very intimate detail about the car and all the things that he's done to it. So this is frankly amazing, and the fact that he's on board with this project is even better. So Steve, thank you very much for watching, and this is a big shout out to you. I'm glad that I'm doing the car justice, and I'm glad that I'm at least keeping you entertained. Lord only knows why. But thank you very much for commenting on my videos. It's great to hear from you, and it is great to see a previous owner actually making their voice known. It's why I love this car. I love it. It's more than just a car, because I just seem to be getting more and more people coming up to me about this car, about memories of Alpines, or if they own the car themselves. Let's hope some more of these people come out of the woodwork.